Morning, guys. Beater bash, day 2. Let's go. Nice rack.
Dude, there's a giant dick on your roof.
So the window's a little cloudy. How do we fix this? It's the cancer, guys! It's the cancer! Oh, whoa, 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 whoa! Oh, shit! Oh my god! Nowhere, and they've got 50 cows. What are you doing?
I don't know.
I don't know.
You're afraid of loud noises.
Holy shit, it was loud.
See the damage.
You shot a foot low.
Boom.
Right there.
Holy crap.
Look. Direct shot. TV's intact.
I felt like someone punched me in the face. That shit cleared up my sinuses. When in your life do you get to shoot a damn car? Only at the beater bash. Oh yeah, it's dead. It's definitely dead. Oh, it went through. Yeah. Holy shit. Shot through a fucking car. Oh. Got. Hey look, that looks like a penis. That's definitely mine. Why do you have a cinder block here?
Oh, that's my e-brake bridge.
God. Hey, Matt, you ready for this?
Fuck yeah, okay, he's serious. He's not even talking to me right now.
Cheers. So I guess this is normal in Arkansas. He lives down the street, road, and he saw the beater bash come through, and Matt kind of like slipped in there. It's like, hey, you should get this on video. So he gave me the keys to the little, what did he call it? A four-wheeler? Whatever. The last time I was on here was like 3 weeks ago in Arizona. Oh, I just do it.
Get it! Woo! Fuck yeah.
Fuck yeah, I hit it.
Hey, this is the what though?
Oh, this is the craziest shit I've ever seen out here, definitely.
Fuck yeah.
You mean people don't just bring 50 cows down here every day?
I've never seen one down there.
Hey.
What do you have?
From here to here is hot as fuck.
Don't touch.
I mean, hot as can be.
Okay, nice.
We don't curse on YouTube.
On it, you know that?
You could definitely cook something on it.
Yeah.
I mean, my curse is on it.
Point it that way.
Fuck yeah.
America, scream it.
Scream it, America.
I'm gonna stand on your left side so I don't get breaths.
Brass is sick.
Can I get an yee?
Fuck yeah.
How close?
Yeah, he should have been like one shot Johnny. Just fucking sent it, let it go. Boom! There's 2.
That's 3.
3-ish, 2.5.
3.
Blew up 2.
One in the chamber.
Yeah.
Some America.
Do some America shit.
I'm a little nervous.
Got this.
True American right here wearing an American shirt. head to the speedway. Crawford Motor Speedway. Dirt track.
There's no rules. We can do whatever we want, whenever we want, inside those fences over there. As soon as we sign this waiver over here that says if we kill ourselves, it's our own fault.
All right, you heard that. No rules. Do whatever you want. Oh shit, there's a cemetery to the right. How's this limo though? Nice. Fuck yeah! This shit is fun. Dirt track. You guys haven't done it? Oh my god, my screen. There we go. You haven't done it, you need to. It's fun. Oh, they're doing something to the track. Oh shit. Wet track on dirt.
It is America.
Look at America. I'm in the middle of a dirt track and my camera's dirty.
Oh shit! Hold on, get out, let's go. Fucking send it, boys!
Shit. Yo, the limo is fucking wrecked. What the fuck? Yo, the limo is fucking wrecked. What happened?
I actually couldn't see anything,
Oh,
and I didn't know there was a ditch here.
Holy fuck. Oh, what is going on in here?
Yeah, I don't want you calling me.
Oh my gosh.
How did I survive that?
Were you in there?
Yeah!
Oh fuck.
Hit a wall, down into a ditch.
Oh, good old
seatbelt.
Oh shit. Oh.
I'm about to die.
Peter bash. Think of that.
I'm not surprised.
I'm not surprised. Oh my
5-star.
god.
I'm a mess, guys. Look at the dirt coming off my pants.
Hey, thanks for having us out here.
Dude, you guys are awesome. Come back out anytime you want to, man.
Thank you. Get a ram.
Best driver out there.
Saw the oil critical level light come on. I don't know if you're familiar with these dash lights here. This check engine, I checked, it was there. This says oil is low. So I peed in the oil. It went away, but it came back, so I think she was too thin. Seatbelt, those are for quitters.
John's Jeep Cherokee. The Cherokee is smoking. Wow. That's the windshield wipers. Ooh. Dinner time. That's all me right there. You did it. What's your shop's name?
Administration Motorsports.
Fuck yeah.
Admin gang.
Pro drifter on dirt tracks.
That's right. We'll see that.
Meter bash just rolled in.
I was in a car accident, and you know, doctor said I need to take it easy.
They're taking me home. I kind of don't want to go home, Scott. Can I live with you for a little bit?
Yeah, you know where spare bedroom is?
Hell yeah.
My dog's left.
Ah, it's nice.
Hey, so you
I like that too. I had one.
I'll put the wheels on that.
Kaboom! What's up, guys? What's up, Aaliyah? Say hi. We're back home in California, as you can see. This is our new building. Right back there, freaking huge. We have contractors here. But did you guys enjoy the video? I had so much fun in Arkansas. Thank you, Express Rally. If you guys want to sign up for next year, you got to do it. Memories for a freaking lifetime. I've never had so much fun. I did a lot of stuff that I would never do in California. But if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe button. I don't know about you, but Papa enjoyed that edit. I think the edits are cool. Mommy! Bye. Okay, bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.